And happy Tuesday, folks. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at 10 o'clock. We do have something spacey to tell you about this evening. This is the super flower blood moon tonight and tomorrow night, so we expect the best viewing of it. And with a super flower means it's going to be bigger than normal, closer to Earth is what that means. And then the flower, it's because it's happening during spring, the month of May, kind of a springy type of full moon. The blood moon then means the color will be red when it is visible. And there's a total lunar eclipse expected around 6:11 a.m. tomorrow morning, but I am expecting cloudy conditions. That's the one thing I am watching carefully with this, is we may not be able to see that lunar eclipse. But hey, if we get a break in the clouds overnight tonight or tomorrow night, we could be able to see the super flower blood moon. So that cool front made things very cool up into portions of Towner County, up toward the Langdon area, seeing 59. That high temperature today in Rolla. Then highs across Minnesota, 70s and 80s for most everybody, 77 degrees that high temperature in Fargo. And that wind today we saw was able to send some dust airborne. You can see this is blowing dust near the Edgeley area. Ryan captured this photo for us. That dust did reduce visibilities for quite a few folks this afternoon, and you can see just how dry that ground is with the extreme drought conditions across the Devil's Lake Basin, the James River Valley. Exceptional drought out near Minot and Bismarck, so that ground is very dry, very easy for that dust to get sent airborne with those strong winds we saw today. The strong winds we saw were gusting anywhere from say 40 to 50 miles per hour. The pinks you see here in our western neighborhoods, those are gusts in the 50-mile-per-hour range in areas like Carrington and New Rockford. Temperatures, or wind speeds I should say, right now we see out of the north, more of a northwesterly breeze, still around 20 miles per hour, gusting to near 30, but that wind is bringing that cooler air in as we speak. We can see that that low pressure system, that cool front, is well off toward the south and east, but that's bringing in the clouds now moving in from the north, and of course the cooler air moving in from the north as well. Some more active weather there in the upper peninsula of Michigan, into the lower peninsula of Michigan, and then another spot that I'm watching carefully is our friends in Louisiana, seeing some more heavy rainfall in some areas that do not need any more rain. So that cool air really working its way in. 39 Winnipeg, 43 Langdon, 43 also in Hallock, seeing 59 right now in Fargo. Still seeing some lower 60s there across portions of central Minnesota down near the South Dakota state line, but really that cool air will continue to work in through the overnight hours tonight. Notice still a bit of a northerly breeze, and still those clouds hang with us through the overnight. By 7:30 a.m. a lot of 30s up toward the north. I do expect most of us to stay above freezing, but if we get any clear sky and some light winds, we could see some spots developing some frost overnight tonight, mainly in the northern valley, so keep that in mind. Maybe throw a blanket over your plants tonight just in case, but I expect most of us in the southern valley to wake up to the lower 40s. And then we stay mainly quiet through the afternoon hours on Wednesday, but it's not till dinner time on Wednesday. I'm watching some showers making their way up from the south and west. Look at this, up toward the north, things stay fairly quiet, but most everybody is cool. 50s for those high temperatures on Wednesday. And these showers move their way from southwest to northeast, but I do expect most of them to stay mainly south of the Highway 200 corridor for the day on Wednesday, and some of those could even overnight Wednesday into Thursday switch over to a wintry mix, so we see some freezing rain or some snowflakes working in to our far western neighborhoods with that moisture. In the coolest night we're expecting, of course, Wednesday night into Thursday. But you see those high temperatures on Thursday only in the lower 50s. We do rebound a little bit there for Friday's 60s. 60s also for Saturday. Then Mike, Andrea, we are in the 70s to near 80 by the time we get to Memorial Day. A few weekend shower chances here or there, but I do expect plenty of dry time for the holiday weekend.
Bring it on, that's what I say.
There you go.
Thanks.